Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share lazy keto breakfast foods. These are all different foods you can keep in your kitchen, in your pantry, your fridge, so that you can make easy lazy keto meals. And I've written a blog post down below which lists all these foods and more and all the recipes that I mentioned, so be sure to click through for that. And be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, comment too, let me know your favorite lazy keto breakfasts. So these are all the foods I've kind of rummaged my kitchen. I've also just done an LD shop, so some of these items are recent LD finds, some are from other stores here in Ireland. But yeah, let me just get started over here with the most obvious is eggs. Always keeping eggs in the kitchen means you can make fried eggs, scrambled eggs, an omelette, poached eggs. You could even hard-boil a whole lot of eggs and then make a cold breakfast platter with hard-boiled eggs as your lovely source of protein. But eggs I have most days on keto, not keto. I always like having eggs for breakfast. One of my favorite ways is actually cheesy fried eggs, so I always keep grated cheese to hand. Keep all kinds of cheese options. You could just pop a bit of a handful of grated cheese on the side of your breakfast to make it extra protein and healthy fats, or just brie or feta. Any cheese you like is great to add to a keto breakfast plate. But yeah, I've got my grated cheese here, and I'll make cheesy fried eggs often. Just pop a handful of grated cheese, crack a couple of eggs over, let it get nice and crispy, and it's just my absolute favorite breakfast. Kind of going to jump all over the place, so I'm talking about eggs for now, and then I'll get back to all the creamy fruity bits in the middle. Other options are omelette, as I said, or you could fry up mushrooms, broccoli, and have a nice breakfast fry up. Also, you could get bacon, breakfast sausages, any leftover meat, chicken, make a nice fry up. Another one of our favorite is breakfast burgers, and I've got lettuce over here. I'll make burger, lettuce, fried egg, and we've got a nice breakfast burger, which is so good. But that's kind of my favorite eggy breakfasts. If you don't feel like eggs, you can also make a whole lot of things with coconut flour or almond flour. Make waffles or pancakes or bread that you can just enjoy. You could make a whole batch on the weekend and then just heat it up through the week, or you could, if you've got more time in the morning, make lovely indulgent waffles for breakfast. One of my favorite make-ahead lazy keto breakfast are chia puddings, so I always keep chia seeds, and my chocolate chia pudding is one of our favorites. The whole family loves it. You could also make a chia pudding with berries, with raspberries or strawberries. It's a lovely breakfast that you could make ahead night before, let it develop in the fridge overnight, thicken up, and then breakfast you've got a lovely breakfast of chia pudding. And I've got chia peanut butter. I'll either make my no-bake peanut butter cookies, or even just mix it through some yogurt, or make some sort of a nice breakfast. You might just want to put a dollop on the side, or just have a spoon or two of peanut butter for creamy, healthy fats and good high protein too. And I've just got pine nuts over here, nuts, seeds. You can add it to any breakfast on the side. Your chia pudding, you could just have some yogurt and add some pine nuts. Pine nuts actually have the perfect keto macros, so keeping pine nuts, almonds, cashews, it's a great way to get more protein, healthy fiber. And I've got this bag of frozen fruit, summer fruits. I'll usually actually just make my chia jam and then either have it with a bit of yogurt or spread it on the peanut butter bread, the recipe I shared ages ago, or of course make it into a smoothie. I like using frozen fruit because then I've always got it in the fridge and it keeps for ages. And yeah, it's nice having frozen because you can use it all year round, even though we're in summer in Ireland and it's summer fruits pack. But yeah, any fruit you like, any berries you like are low carb keto friendly. You might just like to have a little bowl full of berries and whipped cream as a bit of a nice dessert to have with your breakfast. That's an option. And now onto all my creamy goodness. Cream cheese, you might just want to pop a dollop of cream cheese or sour cream on the side of your breakfast to just elevate the fat content. That's an option. Or a bit of cream, mix some cream into eggs to make nice creamy scrambled eggs, or an omelette. And yogurt, I've got this massive Greek style yogurt. It's actually 1 kilo. The one I normally get at Aldi they didn't have in stock at the moment, so I had to get a bigger one, which is actually better cent per gram. It's actually works out cheaper, so I'll definitely find ways to go through this in the next week. I am going to use it in chia puddings, as I said, in smoothies. Just add a bit of stevia to it and you've got a naturally sweetened yogurt, Greek style natural yogurt. I find a little bit sour, so yeah, I like adding a bit of stevia, little other bits to it. My chia jam also is great, and I've got there my unroasted almond milk. You find that almond milk is lower in carbs, so just keeping a carton in the cupboard that you could then grab and pop into the fridge when you feel like milk and use in smoothies or hot chocolates. I have hot chocolates loads through the week. We'll heat up a cup of milk, add in a row of chocolate and let it bubble away, and I've got a lovely hot chocolate that's keto friendly with just these two ingredients. So yeah, I've always got this chocolate, and yeah, for breakfast, hot chocolate, it's my sweet of choice. I like having a hot chocolate. Some mornings I just feel like a hot chocolate and maybe one of my make ahead cookies that I make, and it's just the perfect keto breakfast. I think we've covered it all the nice. I do like, as I said, starting my day with some veggies some of the time, depending what the rest of my day looks like. I find starting with veggies just gets you ahead of the curve. You already had a portion of vegetables starting the day, and it's nice to try and get some fiber and nutrients to start your day with. But there are all of my lazy keto foods to make easy low carb breakfasts. And remember to check down below for the link to the blog post, which has all the foods and all the recipes I mentioned today and more. So thank you so much for watching. Be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, comment too, let me know your favorite lazy low carb keto friendly breakfast foods and other lazy low carb keto friendly videos you'd like me to share. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again soon. Bye.